Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to delete old voice memos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open utilities and then click on voice memos. And here you can see all your voice memos, and if you want to delete your old voice memos then simply swipe left and here you can see the option delete. Here you can delete your voice memo, and if you want to delete your all voice memos then simply click on edit and then select all your voice memos, and here you can see the option delete. Simply click on delete and here you can see your old voice memos will be deleted. So this is the way to delete all the old voice memos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.